Today, I'm revealing the exact AI strategies small YouTubers like you and I are using right now to get brand deals without having thousands of subscribers. Only this week, I've been able to make more than 72,000 from brand deals. And if you're in Nigeria, you will know that that money has what? Keep and more brands keep sending me feedback. They love what I'm doing, and more are still reaching out to collaborate with me. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing my experience with you, how I got this far even as a small YouTuber, in just 7 steps. By the end of this video, you will learn how to find brands, how brands finds you, how to arrange your channel to attract brands to reach out to collaborate with you, how to pitch them using AI, how to automate your outreach, like how to reach brands, and how to make brands say yes. Even as a small creator, you don't have to have thousands of subscribers to start cashing out on YouTube, and I can testify to that. So stay with me, because in less than 1 minute I'll show you the same AI prompt I used to land my first paid brand collaboration. Truth about brand deals that nobody tells you. Most small creators think that brands only work with big channels. That is the same thing I thought. But the truth is, brands now prefer micro creators with 1K, 2K, 5K subs, because engagement is higher and cost is cheaper. And with AI, you don't need to stress about writing pitches, creating media kits, or searching for brands for brand emails manually, because AI does almost 90% of the work for you. Guys, keep watching, because in the next 30 seconds I'll show you exactly how brands secretly find small creators like you, and how AI can make them find you. All right, so let's switch over to how brands actually find small creators like you and I. Brands don't scroll YouTube hoping to find you. They use AI tools, like tools that helps them to discover small creators, AI discovery tools, influencers and databases, social listening, keywords tracking. These are the most that brands use in finding small creators, and this is why your channel gets ignored. But AI can help you position your brand literally, so that brands can literally see you as a perfect fit when they search. Like, you can use tools like Hixfig AI, Hixfit AI, Trend Spider, Fluence, Top View AI rather, Brand24 can scan your niche, your video style, and match you with your brand automatically. Stay with me, because in the next part I'll show you exactly what to send to brands so that they say yes, even if your subscribers are small. The next section, I'm going to be showing you the pitch style that gets yes. Okay, here is the game changer. Most creators send long boring messages like, "Hi, I love your brand, can we work together?" No, brand doesn't respond to that. But using AI, you can generate a pitch that sounds professional, personalized, and results driven. Here is the exact prompt that lands deals. I'll put it in the description of this video, so after watching this video you can go and copy it and start making use of it. Here is the prompt. I write you can just go over to ChatGPT and copy this prompt and paste it there. It says, write a short powerful brand pitch for a small YouTube creator. You can put in brackets and put your channel handle, and don't forget to put the hat and the at the front of it, just as it's displaying on the screen. Okay, tone, the tone should be confident, professional. Highlight my engagement, niche, and how I can help the brand achieve conversions without needing a large audience. Include 2 collaboration ideas customized for their products. Okay, just copy this prompt now from the description and head over to ChatGPT and then paste the prompt. Also remember to add your channel handle, so that ChatGPT is going to give you a personalized pitch according to the kind of content you create. This creates a pitch that sounds like you've worked with brands for years and makes you sound so professional. Don't go anywhere. Next, I'll show you how I can generate professional media kit in less than 60 seconds. Okay, brands don't just want your pitch, they want to see your values. This is why you need a media kit, and with AI you can generate media kit in less than 60 seconds. Instead of hiring a designer, use AI tools like Canva AI, Notion AI, Adobe Express AI, or Higgsfield AI templates. Your media kit only needs four things. And number one thing your media kit needs is your name plus your channel handle, your niche. You can use ChatGTP to give you an analysis of what your channel is all about. Then it needs your analytics such as your view, your watch time, your click-through rate, and previous examples of videos. Coming up next, I'll help you know how to find brand emails automatically without doing any manual search. Okay, after arranging your toolkit, okay, you need a brand email, like how to find brand emails with AI. You don't need to scroll websites for email addresses. No, can use AI tools like Apollo, hunter.io, clay AI, creep.io. Can find the marketing manager's emails in seconds. All you have to do is to type find the influencer marketing email for company X, just like for example Higgsfield AI, TopView AI. Just find their marketing emails, and after getting their emails, then feed the emails into ChatGTP or any other AI outreach tool to create personalized versions for your pitch. In the next minute, I'll show you the outreach schedule that 10x your reply rate, because sometimes when you reach out to brands and you don't get feedback, you get frustrated and you give up. Okay, so this AI outreach system gets you replies fast. Most creators give up after one email, but successful creators follow this AI powered 3-step sequence. Day one, what you have to do according to this sequence is: day one, main pitch. Okay, send your main pitch to the company, then wait until day 3. If you don't get any feedback, follow up with the results. Okay, send a follow up with the results you can provide them, and ChatGTP is your personal assistant for this. Then you wait for day 7 and give them a final reminder about your collaboration ideas. Use AI to generate each image, but make sure each sounds different and personalized. Okay, after AI generates the email for you, don't just stop and just copy and send. Okay, make sure you personalize it to suit your own tune. Before I show you the bonus strategy, here is what many creators ignore, and it costs them deals. The mistake that stops small creators from getting brand deals. Here are the big mistakes. Number one is waiting for brands to contact you. Number 2 is having no niche. Some channels are not, like, you don't have any niche, you're just posting anyhow. Number 3 is untidy channel homepage. You have to arrange your channel well. Number 4 is no call to action in your content. No email in the description or about section in your homepage, and AI can help you fix this instantly by analyzing your channel and telling you what to improve. Now for the bonus part, I'm going to show you how to make brands chase you and not the other way around. This is the authority hack. Okay, all you have to do is to create a 1 to 2 videos titled testing dash AI brand. I tried this AI brand for 7 days. The best AI tools for small YouTubers. Okay, tag the brand, mention the name, use their hashtags in your description, and AI tools like Higgsfield can help you generate high quality visuals and product demos, even if you don't own the product. Okay, once brand sees the free value, they reach out to you for paid deals. Here is my advice, friends: please be careful. Don't just start clicking on any links you see in your email. Beware of scammers and links. Okay, make sure you go to customization in your YouTube studio and change your main channel email and your main channel email address, and replace it with any other regular email addresses you have that brands can reach out to you with. This is very important so that your channel don't get hijacked by scammers. Let's wrap up here, and here is what you've gained today. Let's By now you've learned how to find brand as a small creator, how to craft the perfect AI powered page to send to brands to reach out to them, then how to create a media kit in minutes. Okay, how to find brand email easily. You have learned that in this video too. The outreach system that makes you get replies from brands, and how to make brands come to you by arranging your channel. If this video helped you, smash that like button, drop AI brand deals in the comments so I know you watched this video till the end, and subscribe for more creator money making strategies. And if you want my ready-made brand pitch template, comment template and I'll drop it for you. Thanks so much for watching this video till the end. Now go and secure that bag. Thank you and bye for now.